In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best window alarm in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which window alarm is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Tolviviov Door Alarm System. Alpha Wireless Safety System, a wise method to secure your house with Tolviviov Smart Home Protection System. 8-piece package includes the 1 alarm siren terminal, 5 windows and door sensors, and also 2 push-button controls. No contracts and also no membership cost. Smart Alarm System for House. Tolviviov Alarm Security System is a budget-friendly remedy for your home safety and security. You have complete control over the door alarm systems for home safety and security via your smart device, as well as get immediate notifications of alarm systems alert in your residence or home. Personalization: you can add added door and window sensing units, motion detectors, cordless doorbells, and also water detectors to various rooms in your house security systems. It sustains the growth of up to 20 sensing units and 5 remote controls or keypads, which can be contributed to the Wi-Fi alarm system terminal. Do-it-yourself installation: quickly set up Tolviviov Wireless Residence Protection System in minutes without devices. The wireless link tools do not damage the wall. The alarm system station should always connect to the AC adapter. The backup battery helps 8 hours, only as an emergency situation battery. Voice control and also Wi-Fi network. Your Tolviviov residence alarm can be conveniently managed by away, disarm, as well as house modes with your voice. Functions with Alexa and also Google Aid. Here is the item number 4, Toeeson Door Window Alarm. 120 dB door home window alarms. All our Toeeson window door alarms are audible to detect access, avoid children going out the house, safeguard your residence, pool, workplace, etc. distinct as much as 750 feet or 230 m away. Very easy. Toeeson quickly installed by adhesive tape. Tape it on the window or door, then all is done. No wiring, screws, or devices are required. Completely DIY. Low battery indicator: you will certainly understand when to change the batteries with its low battery sign. No anxiety regarding stopping working to function. 3 LR44 batteries included. Ultra slim alarm: each window door alarm with 2 adjustable settings on or off. Perfect for house, pool, office, garage, and even recreational vehicle. Using superior materials is the key element to a good product. From little incorporated circuit to thin double-sided adhesive tape, we Toeeson purely follow this regulation to create top quality alarm. Simply feel free to click and also get your time and money are valued. Door alarm attached to all types of doors, including moving one conveniently, the best residence as well as office safety and security gadget. Home window alarm: slim as well as a small alarm is a great safety device for your home windows, even the crank ones, to avoid burglars. The item number 3, Flyoukki Window Open Alarm. Loud alarm: the 120 dB security alarm is excellent for signaling to you when there is undesirable access. Audible at over 750 feet, it sounds loud so the individual recognizes they need to quit what they are doing. Great for avoidance: secure your children's spaces or quit anybody from creeping out or in. Wireless alarm system sensor: no circuitry is necessary, and also 3 LR44 batteries are included in each device. Made to last 6 to 12 months, these batteries in the alarms will be charged for extensive time periods. When it's time to change, you'll know. With the user-friendly reduced battery indicator, you can conveniently discover when you'll need to transform the batteries. Simple TO mount: the wireless protection alarms can be mounted anywhere with an opening. Simply utilize the sticky offered as well as tape it to wherever you need it. Windows, doors, and entries are easy and also straightforward with the alarm. The minimal range for the tool to the job is 15 mm, so when installing, see to it to obtain both pieces of the alarm system as close as feasible. Sleek layout for residents with an ultra-slim development as well as smooth design. These alarms can be placed conveniently anywhere you need them. Number 2 in our list, Noopel Home Security Wireless. Magnetic Door Home Window Alarm Sensing Unit 120 dB alerts a person to a door or home window opening. Avoid youngsters heading out of the house without notification. Likewise, ideal access warning for your house, workplace, garage, and more. Ultra-thin windows and door alarm with 2 flexible setups off or on. 3 XLR44 batteries consisted of. Easy installation, no circuitry needed. No screws are required. Consisted of double-sided tape. Ultra-sensitive, also low battery indicator to check battery life. This is the best budget-friendly complement for your home protection. Noopel Doors and Window Entry Alarm gives a simple-to-use, cost-efficient safety remedy to shield you and also your household versus residence invasions thanks to the 120 decibel alarms, audible to make a prospective intruder reconsider going into via your doors or home windows. Also perfect for preventing your kids from opening doors they shouldn't. There is no demand for pricey security systems. Our premium quality alarm adapts to different atmospheres. It is perfect for windows, doors, offices, porches, stairs, and also even more. You can also use it to keep a sleepwalker inside and also protect against any mishaps. The top one in our list, Toeeson Door Window Alarm. 120 loud alarm system. This magnetic sensing unit window door alarm system is loud enough to discover entry, stop youngsters and infants from going out of your house, protecting your home or office whether you remain in or out. Easy installation, quickly mounted by sticky, tape it on the window or door, then all is done. No circuitry is required. No screws are required. Entirely DIY. 2022 upgraded ultra slim door and window alarm system with 2 adjustable setups. Perfect for residence, workplace, shop, garage, dorm room, home, and even motor home. Low battery indicator. You will conveniently know when to change the batteries with its low battery indicator, no bother with failing to function. What you obtain 6 packs 2022 upgraded good door home window alarms with Chime, 100% client fulfillment solution, worth for your cash. Any questions, do contact us for help. We are constantly right here to help you out. Using superior products is the essential element to an excellent product. From the small integrated circuit to slim double-sided adhesive tape, we Toeeson purely follow this guideline to produce premium quality alarm. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best window alarm amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.